For many users, especially if portability is not an important criterion, a desktop continues to be the computing machine of choice over a laptop. A number of hardware features, including a wide screen and large storage space, are more affordably available in the former. Recognizing this, many computer makers continue to come out with innovatively designed desktop machines, which, coupled with the fact that hardware prices keep coming down, make things very exciting for the consumer. One such very interesting machine that has caught our eye recently is the Dell Inspiron 24-3000 series i3-4555-6040 BLK all-in-one desktop computer.
Here we go!
This member of the popular Dell Inspiron family consists of a 23.8-inch integrated display unit with a stunningly thin panel of just 38.22mm and is available in black or white. You also get a matching Dell keyboard and mouse along with it, with the entire set perfect for any stylish decor. The computer's pop-up easel stand with one cord setup allows quick and easy arrangement in any room without taking up unnecessary space on your table. The stunning Full HD 1920 by 1080 LED backlit wide viewing angle display is great for work or watching a movie with the family, and also offers touchscreen functionality, letting you enjoy the full interactive features of the Windows 10 operating system. To complement this incredible display, you get built-in stereo speakers tuned with Waves Max Audio solution for a truly cinematic experience while watching videos, and a widescreen HD webcam for crisp, clear online Skype sessions with family and friends. As we mentioned, large storage space is one of the strongest assets of any great desktop unit, and you get up to 1 terabyte storage with this computer using the hard drive and the optional disk drive, which is plenty of space for the family's movies, photos, music, and all important documents, all while still providing a consistently smooth, lag-free performance. Smooth performance also comes from the AMD A6 7310 2GHz processor and AMD Radeon R2 graphics card, assisted by the 4GB 1600MHz DDR3L SD RAM. The computer scores highly on other features too, including Superfast USB 3.0 ports and the latest wireless 802.11 BGN and Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity. Several latest offerings from Microsoft have also been incorporated into the machine, including Cortana, your own personal digital secretary, and Microsoft Edge, a new web browser loaded with cool features like writing or typing directly on a web page. So, packed into an attractive, thin and powerful computer, you get enough features that make the i3-455 a perfect fit for every single member of your family. Uncompromising graphics, smooth touchscreen capability, and a strong processor make this a really smart buy, whether you use your computer for work, for streaming HD videos off the internet, or for playing games. That brings us to the end of our coverage of the Dell Inspiron 24-3000 series i3-455-6040 black all-in-one desktop computer. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of all-in-one computers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.